welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and we're going to be doing a look using this freshly cut flower child palette, and this is from Rude Cosmetics. Someone actually commented and asked me to use this, so I'm happy to use it because no one's actually asked me to use a palette before. So we're going to be using this palette today. Let me show you what the palette looks like on the inside. Looks like this. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go with like these two colors here, this green, this blue, and maybe this like brown over here. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. I'm probably just gonna do the green, the blue, or it's like a teal. So this is Greenhouse. The color next to it is Gentian. I don't know. And then we have Gladiolus right here. So I'm going to use those and we're going to try to create a look and see how it turns out, because I have not worn makeup since March 2nd, which was my birthday. So last time I did my makeup, I just kind of been walking around, no makeup, just chilling and trying to like get my skin together. So I don't know, does my face look like it's thinner? I feel like my face looks like I might have lost weight. The rest of me does not look like that, but I'll take it. I have worked out. I worked out like twice in the last month, which is more than I worked out in the last year, so I'm patting myself on the back. So we're gonna take Gladiolus first, and I'm just gonna put that outside. I already prepped my eyes and I have tape on. Since it's been a while, I guess like a month and a half since I wore makeup, I'm gonna need this help from the tape to be precise. And this actually looks like a red brown. I was hoping it was more like a deep dark brown. That's kind of like a dirty brown, but this is fine. I'll just build this up. And it's Saturday, so I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll go to the casino. It's after 7 right now, so I don't know, maybe I'll go take myself up to the casino, gamble $20 away. I did go to the casino for my birthday. Well, the day after my birthday. For my birthday, I just went out to dinner, did some shopping, and then the day after, I did go to the casino. I spent $20 and I won $200. So that was nice. Maybe I can win. I'm trying to win like $10,000. I'm trying to win like money. But I want to win big money, so I don't know, maybe I'll go. But I don't usually gamble more than I think $40, $80 probably the most I've ever gambled away, but that was like a long time ago. Nowadays that I have bills and like a mortgage to pay, I try to keep it around $40 the most, because I don't know, I feel like that's kind of throwing money away. So I built that up on both my eyes. I didn't take it all the way forward. I'm going to take, let's take, maybe I'll make this more of, try to do a little bit of a fun look, because I'm going to have these bright colors. I'm going to take Sakura right here, this pretty pink shade at the bottom there. I'm going to take that color. And I have been shopping, so I do have a haul to do of like makeup that I've gotten from February and March. I don't think I've bought anything in April. Just February, March. So I'm gonna put that Sakura color right here, blend that at the top. Okay, and I've cut back on my Fortnite time. I really haven't been playing as much Fortnite. It's because I started watching How to Get Away with Murder finally. I know that that show's not on anymore. It hasn't been on, I think, for a while, but I just started watching it around my birthday, or maybe it was the last, I don't know, whenever I did the last video, I think I was watching it. But I finished the show today, so now like I don't know what to do with my life because I don't have a show anymore. And oh my god, there's like a couple of times, I don't know, maybe I'm just feeling kind of sensitive, but there was a few times when I wanted to cry for Annalise, because it's like she keeps getting herself in all this mess trying to help people, and I don't know. I just felt bad. Like, dang, another mess she got to clean up. And then it's like she keeps getting blamed for this stuff. I didn't put anything on this brush. This is what Gladiolus was on. I'm just going to take that and go back. But I like the show. At first I thought I wasn't going to like it because I tried to watch it when it first came out and I just was not interested. So I figured I just didn't like the show, and I didn't get beyond, like, I think it was the first 2 episodes. And then finally I was like, I don't have a show to watch, so I was like, let me just watch this. And I just kept watching it, and I was like, okay, this isn't so bad. And I actually ended up liking it. I also finished, let's see what I was watching. Vikings Valhalla. Finished that. That was quick to finish. I like all those shows like Vikings, what is it, The Last Kingdom, like all those like old period type history pieces. I like those shows. Okay, I think I need to cut my crease to put this green and this blue on, but I like the way this is actually looking. I kind of feel like if I was gonna kind of tone it down, I would go with like just I'd probably just pop either jasmine or daffodil on my lid, but I'm not trying to do all that. I want to do something colorful. So I need to cut my crease, and then I'll be right back and we'll keep talking. Alright, I'm back. I cut my crease. I used this Beautybay white base to cut my crease. Alright, so I was talking about the shows that I've been watching. So I've kind of watched everything that I wanted to watch. Bridgerton, I watched the last season, but then they said that one good looking guy isn't coming back, so now I'm not interested in watching this new season, but I might watch it because I have nothing else to watch, but we'll see. And other than that, I don't think I have anything in my show list to watch. So I need to find things to watch because I just like I need to watch TV. But also I'm kind of proud of myself because now normally I do everything from the house. So like I order my groceries to be delivered. I order like food to be delivered. So I'm using like DoorDash and whatever, so I don't have to leave the house. But yesterday I left the house and I actually did my grocery shopping. But I went to Albertsons, and normally I go to Smith's or Walmart. I'm just using Greenhouse. And I don't know if it's because the last time I actually went into the store to buy my own groceries it wasn't this year. It was sometime last year. I don't know, October. I don't usually like go because it's like if I can just get delivery and have those people carry it for me, then I'd just rather pay the tip. But I'm like, I really need to start leaving this house because I had to get my alternator, a new alternator and a new battery because I'm not driving my car enough. So I'm like, okay, so let me just start going to the grocery store. But I did that back in January. So new alternator, new battery, that was in January. But then I have to keep going outside to warm up my car to make sure that I don't, the battery doesn't run out again because you're not using it. So I've been trying to tell myself, I'm taking Gentian. I'm pretty sure I'm saying this wrong, but it's this color here. So now I go and I try to warm up my car like every couple of days so that way it doesn't lose any power. And I told myself I'm just gonna start going out and leaving the house to do like my own shopping. Like even Ulta, I placed an order for pickup at Ulta and I went and got it, easy peasy. So that's pretty. So I'm gonna just start going to the grocery store and getting my own groceries. So that was step one. So I left the house yesterday and I did that. And let's see, I went to Ulta last week. I haven't been to TJ Maxx. I'm trying to give TJ Maxx a break because what I do is I'll keep going like week after week and every couple of days and I get everything that I could possibly get. And then after that, it's like no point because you're still seeing like the same stuff. So you got to give it a couple months and then go back. And so I think whenever that last haul was, I mean, it's about time for me to go back. I'm just kind of waiting because I want to get a lot of stuff or a lot of makeup that I don't have. So normally I find like some Rude Cosmetics in there, BH Cosmetics, and I know Rude Cosmetics, I think, or is it Roots? Somebody just came out with more stuff. Beauty just came out with more makeup, and I'm just kind of packing that blue color on. They came out with more palettes, so I'm kind of just waiting for those palettes to get to the point where they hit TJ Maxx, because I want to pay the TJ Maxx prices, not the Beauty prices. Okay, so we're gonna go back into Gladiolas, which is this color here, and we're now going to just put that back, because when I cut my crease, I kind of went over some of that. This kind of looks cute together. And I'm just taking it to the corner. I'm not taking it too far in. Maybe I will go to the casino. All right. Also, this ponytail, this hair, it's a ponytail. I bought it off of Amazon. I think it was like $15 or $16. So I did buy that also. And I'm gonna do another haul for this makeup that I just bought, so that's gonna be coming soon. I'm gonna go off, do the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. All right, so this is the look that I came up with. My face is all done. What I did on my lower lash line was mix this color, Amaryllis, this pink or magenta color, with the Gladiolas color that I used for my crease in my outer corner. I mixed those two for my lower lash line, and then on my inner corner I put this color here. It's like a shimmery glittery shade. It's called Moss, just to bring more green in, since this is my version of a spring look, more like fresh cut grass, blue skies, and an iced red velvet frappuccino. That's what this is given. So that's what I did here. I know you guys can kind of see this cart right here. This is like a pile of makeup that I need to do a haul for, so let's push that out the way. All right, so I use this freshly cut Flower Child palette. This is from Rude Cosmetics. You can check out their site. They're affordable, so I would check out their site, and they usually have like some type of discount also. And if you don't see it there, check at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx might have it, because you will see some Rude Cosmetics products at TJ Maxx, but very affordable brand, really good. The pigment was really good. I like this palette, and I know I swatched these in a Rude Cosmetics haul, and I would say like some of the stuff I swatched, like it went on better on my eye than it did in the swatches. So definitely I would get this palette. I'll show you the inside one more time just in case. This is a very fun spring summer palette to get or to have in your collection if you're interested. All right, so check that out. And I know this was very chatty, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you missed me, because I know I've been gone for a month or two. And make sure you comment down below, leave a message, say hi, let me know another palette you want me to use. And thanks for watching. I wanna let you know, girl, that you better than I am what you do. Go for me, reassure you, my love will be purpose.